Hello, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes, and I'm super excited to be showing you another one of our Framer themes, which are available on the Framer Marketplace and also directly from our website coastalthemes.com. So this theme I'm showing you today is called Sanya, and it's a really nice corporate and modern theme which is suitable for products or for your business. And I'll take you through some of the modules and pages, and you can see how great it is for yourself. So immediately on the first page, you can see a super strong headline. We have these great buttons, which we've styled with gradients, and on hover, you can see the gradient slightly changes, which is a really nice subtle interaction for your users. We've got a lovely logo carousel. And then, as always on all of our themes, as you scroll through, there's a really nice on-appear animation when content comes into view. Immediately, you're faced with this lovely content section wherein when you scroll, the next piece of content overlays the one before. And then we move into the next section. You can see that on-appear animation coming in with these three modules. Again, you can use these modules and all the modules on the page interchangeably. Everything is in components on your Framer file, so you can take things out that you don't need or keep things in that you do need. And again, as you scroll through that beautiful animation, we have this really fun stats section, which you can easily fill with text and images, or just full images, or even videos. We have some traditional headline, text, and image sections. Again, that lovely button with that hover effect. We have this corporate-looking testimonial section. And then we end off the page with a traditional accordion FAQ section. And in our footer, we have a large CTA and a traditional footer. So that's the home page. And let's go into one of the other pages. So we have a few pages. We have About Us, Pricing, a blog, which is a CMS blog. So I'll take you into blog to start with. So this will be linked to your Framer CMS and will come populated with some placeholder blog posts so you can see how things are structured. But as always, you can remove fields or keep fields, add your own fields, whatever you'd like. So this is the blog listing page. You can see it shows a tag, the date, the title, and an excerpt, as well as the CTA to go read. And we have a load more button. And then when you click into a blog post, you'll see we have this really strong heading section with the author, the published date, and the category. And then the copy and images, which will be pulled directly from your CMS. And we have some lovely little share icons on the right-hand side. And as always, all our themes are all fully responsive. So if I show you this in mobile, you will see how it scales down. And those share buttons will drop to the bottom. I'll take you to the pricing page next. On our pricing page, we have a traditional pricing 3-column grid. Obviously, you can add as many columns as you'd like, depending on how many plans you offer. And we have a monthly to yearly toggle, which allows you to show different prices to your users. And then below, this is something unique to this theme, we have a comparison grid, so you can see which plans give you what with some checkboxes. So again, super scalable, you can add as many rows as you'd like, or even additional columns. And then finally, I will show you the contact page. So super strong heading section once again. We've included these cute little icons, which you could replace with real images of users. And ratings here, so this is a great place to also include ratings from third-party providers like Trustpilot. And then we include our Framer form, so again, super customizable with what fields you include, and a lovely Submit Now button. And that is Sanya, again, one of my favorite corporate themes that we offer, and it is available on the Framer Marketplace. Or if you jump into coastalthemes.com, you will see Sanya here. If you click in, you can view the theme, hit Get Framer Template, and that will take you directly to the purchase page. If you are loving all our themes, head to coastalthemes.com, click on Club Access, and that will give you all our themes. That's all our themes, existing themes, future themes, and that gives you also early access to new themes, premium support, all for one super competitive price. So I really recommend that if you are loving all the themes we've been showing you so far. And that's it from me today. Thank you so much for looking through Sanya with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.